My name is Michael Ung. I graduated from McGeorge in 2023. I'm from Reno, Nevada. It's about 2 hours out of Sacramento going east, right next to Tahoe. I chose law school because when I was in 6th grade, I saw the show. It's called How I Met Your Mother. It's my favorite show of all time, still is. One of the characters, he was in law school in the earlier seasons, and in the later seasons, he became a corporate lawyer and an environmental lawyer. I thought it was really cool how he wore a suit to work every day, and I was like, that's what I want to do. That's how I'm going to look professional. So since 6th grade, I made every effort to get into law school. My undergrad degrees, taking the LSAT, every decision I've made was to get into law school. And now all my decisions I'm making right now is to pass the bar and become an attorney. I chose McGeorge because it's really close to my hometown, Reno. I went to the University of Nevada, Reno for college, so I stayed home with my parents, and I wanted to go somewhere else. Reno doesn't have a law school. I really didn't want to go to Vegas. And someone told me about McGeorge, so I looked into it, and it has some really great programs like the Trial Advocacy Program, which that's my concentration, and I just felt drawn to the school because it's in Sacramento. It's like a big city, but not a big city at the same time. And there's so many people from McGeorge that are practicing law in Reno that I knew about. Student organizations, I've been involved everywhere on campus. My 2L year, I joined APALSA, which is the Asian Pacific American Law Students Association. I was the co-community outreach chair. As co-community outreach chair, I was in a special position because we just came back on campus from being on Zoom for a whole year, and we were transitioning, so I was trying to get APALSA back into the community, seeing what events we can do, how we can connect to the local Asian community in Sacramento. I got us participating in the My Sisters Run for a Safe Haven event. We had social events with SACFALA, ABAS, and I did that kind of work of bringing the Asian students here more into the community in Sacramento. And then I also, in my 2L year, I founded the Gaming Law Association. That is an organization that was about spreading more awareness about different fields of law. That one was specifically about gaming law. That's like gambling and card games. You know, I'm from Nevada. That's what we're known for. And it was just a great way of networking to other lawyers who were in that field and exposing the students to a new field. My 2L year, I was also in the Student Bar Association, SBA. I was the wellness chair for the wellness committee. As wellness chair, I organized the Wellness Week events for the fall and the spring semesters. We held events like the Doggy Day event, yoga on campus, sports day, things that help students mellow down before they get into finals or midterms, because law school exams are really tough and we need as much support as we can, so that's what SBA provided. I'm still involved with a lot of organizations right now. I'm on SBA as the vice president. I'm the vice president of the day division students, and that's more of an expanded role of what I did as wellness chair, except instead of managing the wellness committee, I manage all the committees on SBA. There's about 10 of them. I recruit people to join those committees. I recruit chairs, co-chairs, vice chairs, and I just help out with the events on campus and see what things are being done. And if I'm needed, I'm stepping in for the president, Krishma. If she's not available, or if she's not able to run meetings, I'm the one stepping in. I'm in the work-study program. I am a video editor, student worker for the school. I edit videos, probably not editing the video you're seeing right now because I don't want to see myself, but I've been helping with videos like that. And something I did with my work-study job I really liked is I got my friends together and we just made memes for the school because I have access to the Pacific McGeorge Instagram page. And we call ourselves the Pacific McMemes Committee. We just make memes every week. We vote on what the school's gonna like, what the school's not gonna like, and then every Monday I would throw it up on the Instagram story. It's a really fun group. My favorite thing about the McGeorge experience are the friends that I've made. I feel like friendship is a two-way street, that you're teaching your friends something about yourself, you're teaching them something about life, things that they don't know about, and you're learning something from them as well. My friends have been a big impact on me and influence. When I was in college, I wanted to be a prosecution attorney. I wanted to be a DA. But when I came to law school, I had a lot of friends who wanted to be a PD, a public defender. They wanted to go that route, and they had a big influence on me. They helped me see the reasons why it's good to have people fighting for that side. It's not just about fighting for justice for the whole society, it's about protecting individual rights. They've taught me a lot of other life lessons too, lessons about professionalism, lessons about who I am as a person, and how to connect with other people, and just how I can give back to not just society, that's what everyone does, but how I can give back to my community and be the best person I can for my community. So my plans after graduation, after 10 weeks of bar prep and taking the bar in California, it's gonna be fun. I have a judicial clerkship lined up in Carson City, Nevada. I will be a clerk for Judge James Russell. He is a McGeorge alum. He graduated in the 70s. I'm going to be there for a year. And in February 2024, I will be taking the Nevada bar, hopefully passing both California and Nevada so I can be licensed in both states if I ever wanted to go back to either state. And then after that 1 year, I'm hoping to move out to Monterey, hoping to get a job at the public defender's office there. After my clerkship, I want to work in public defense for a little bit. Mainly just to get that trial and courtroom experience, to be in court every day, managing caseloads because there's a high caseload, and I want to do what I can for the community before I want to go what I actually want to. My actual aspirations in the legal field is family law. I really care about helping people in their personal lives who have to face the legal system. I don't think it's fair that people who they thought they found the love of their lives is not the love of their life and they have to go to court to resolve that. I want to be there for them, help them with that. But before I can help the people that I want to help, I need to be experienced. I need to be the best lawyer I can be, and that's getting the experience at the public defender's office.